Kasi ang emergency, hindi natin alam kung kailan yan dadating. Hindi naman sasabihin na umamayang 2:00 may emergency. This basic knowledge, they will be able to apply it once they are in a real emergency.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo mga estudyante. Salamat po sa Diyos at tayo'y binigyan ng pagkakataong may sagawa po ito. Ito pong training po natin. At sana lahat po mag-jot down para at least matutunan natin ng buo yung ating pong training.
Ito pong training nito is napaka-importante, lalo na po sa panahon natin ngayon kasi nowadays it's really inevitable to have different disasters or even emergencies. So it's important for us to be prepared and also how to do actions or know the actions taken before responding to an emergency.
It's crucial to have basic knowledge when it comes to basic first aid, especially you'll never know when the emergency scenario will come.
This also helpful para makapag-respond in a right way and with confidence in case of emergency na merong ma-encounter in the future.
It's been a great opportunity to do a collaboration with the group, and it does make a lot of difference to our students.
LPU General Trias Cavite, are you ready?
Seminars like this is important. Because katulad nga ng sabi ko, hindi mo malalaman kung kailan mangyayari yung trahedya. So, ikaw na marunong, syempre, dapat may alam ka talaga. Kasi, what if wala kang alam and may nangyari? So, hindi mo alam yung gagawin. Instead, makakatulong ka pa. Parang gano'n.
This seminar actually, it's a big opportunity na rin sa amin to earn more, gain more knowledge and hone our skills when it comes to, basic safety training. Because I believe, hindi lang naman na kukompress sa isang course ang lahat ng knowledge.
First, I would like to thank UNTV News and Rescue, our partnership as well with MCGI and Bread Society for giving us their time and having a great collaboration with them, and that we are very proud of.
Kahit pa paano may naibahagi kami na kaalaman sa pagtulong sa kapwa, na maging confident sila kasi karamihan dahil hindi nila alam kung ano yung dapat gawin, instead na may magawa sila or gusto nilang tumulong, sana sa mga natutunan nila is maging confident na silang tumulong sa kapwa-tao.